Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, I will now show you the large scissor lift, TW SA-42U-V2 by TWIN BUSCH. The TW SA-42U-V2 was developed for floor level installation. We will elevate the lift all the way up with the up button. The roll-off safeguards protect the vehicle from accidentally rolling down. The safety locks protect the lift from an unintentional descent. By engaging the locks, the lift can be leveled during corresponding adjustments. LED lights under the lift provide light for work. We will now bring the lift to an optimal height for wheel alignment. We will now switch to the wheel-free lift and lift the car. The wheel-free lift also has safety locks. Here we can see the optionally available turn plates. The insertion plates allow the turn plate to fit the wheelbase. The sliding plates provide the needed tension reduction to the wheel suspension for optimal measurement results. Wheel alignment is possible starting at a wheelbase of 205 cm. The maximum wheelbase for wheel alignment is 405 cm. For safety, the lift stops automatically shortly before reaching the floor. The down 2 button is engaged to continue a controlled descent. Additionally, the TW SA-42U-V2 by TWIN BUSCH is also suitable as a headlight adjustment station with the appropriate leveling. Floor level installation makes it easy to drive over the lift. The extendable platforms allow the wheel-free lift to adapt for longer vehicles. The TW SA-42U-V2 has tracks to mount the optionally available axle jack TW445W. This is required, for example, to lift the axles of particularly long transporters.